The Q501 series blade is an IC bandsaw blade. An IC standing for interrupted cut, meaning that this is a born and bred structural bandsaw blade. We noticed that in the industry of cutting the structural materials, whether it be angle iron, tubing, extrusion, a lot of customers were dropping teeth and having tooth strippage issues. So we took a step back and went to the drawing board, and the IC blade was made. How we do this is that we actually take and we narrow the gullet, because when you're going into a piece of tubing, you can drop the chip and then go back in. You can heavily reduce the gullet. You don't need as much chip carrying capacity. And so what we do with that extra material is we put it on the back edge of the tooth. And so now you have a way more robust tooth edge, so that way it severely reduces tooth strippage in structural materials. The Q501 IC still has a M42 Cobalt Cutting Edge with a 5% chrome backer on it. So from tip to backing, it is a really superior structural cutting band. And it's offered at Sawblade.com in a variety of different TPIs and tooth configurations, as well as widths from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 5/8. You can get your Q501 IC exclusively at Sawblade.com. We are a custom cut facility, and we pride ourselves on our customer service. We guarantee each blade with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can reach out to us and we'll either help you with some tips and tricks, or we'll guide you down the right path for a safe and efficient sawing experience. So if you notice that you're having a really bad tooth stripping issues in your structural materials, reach out to Sawblade.com and get a quote on your Q501 IC bandsaw blade. I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and thanks for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.